The first video talk about some of the most important characteristics of today's students, the way they learn, what they need to learn, their goals, hopes, dreams, what their life will be like, and what kind of change will experience in their life. The main idea of this video is show that the teacher today needs more guidance in the use of technology to improve the methodologies they use in the teaching learning process with students. The second video seeks to show a class can become interesting for students when a teacher knows how to make good use of technology to develop a class. There is undoubtedly a contrast between the first and second video, since on the one hand it is shown as it in empty place there are messages that reflect the dissatisfaction on students when teachers are not relevant and resourceful in using technologies. On the other hand, the benefit that the good use of technology as a pedagogical tool brings are shown a little. For better use of technologies in the classroom, teachers could use collaboration platforms such as Google Classroom or Edmodo to facilitate teamwork and communication between students and teachers. Use educational apps that suit your needs and teaching goals. Encourage autonomous learning, providing online resources so that the student can learn at their own pace and delve deeper into topics of interest. Train in emerging technologies, stay on the last trend and technology tool to enrich your classes. Create a virtual learning environment. Use online learning platform to create a virtual learning environment that complements the classroom. The idea is to find a balance between the use of technologies and traditional teaching practices. Thank you.